Hello everybody. In this video we can talk about intercepts. Identifying intercept. Look at the graph. The graph crosses the x-axis at 2 and 0, crosses the y-axis 0 and -8. This point where the graph crosses the x-axis is called x-intercept. The coordinate at this point is 2 and 0. At this point, the graph which crosses the y-axis is called the y-intercept. The coordinate of this point is 0 and -8. The two intercepts are 2 and 0 and 0 and -8. Some example. Look at these two graphs. In this graph, the graph crosses the x-axis at -3 and 0. This is the x-intercept. And the graph crosses the y-axis at 2. So the y-intercept is 0 and 2. In this graph, the graph crosses twice the x-axis. Here it crosses at -4. The coordinate at this point is -4 and 0. Again it crosses at -1. The coordinate is -1 and 0. This graph crosses the y-axis at 1. The coordinate at this point is 0 and 1. So the x-intercept are -4 and 0, -1 and 0, y-intercept 0 and 1. Some other examples. This graph intersects the x-axis at 2. So the x-intercept is 2 and 0. For this graph, there is no y-intercept because it does not intersect the y-axis. Here, the graph intersects the x-axis at 2 points, one at 3 and second time at -1. So the x-intercepts are -1 and 0, 3 and 0. The same graph intersects the y-axis at 2 and -1. So y-intercepts are 0 and 2, 0 and -1. To find the x and y intercept, we let y equal to 0 and solve for x. If you want to find the x-intercept, to find y-intercept, we let x equal to 0 and solve for y. Some helpful hint. At any time the origin is a point, it is an x-intercept, also an y-intercept. It is the only point that lies on both the axes. So x-intercept, the origin is 0, 0 and y-intercept is 0, 0. Graph x equal to -3. To graph this x equal to -3, we have to write x equal to 0 times y minus 3 and substitute the value of y and find the value of x. we'll get x equal to negative 3. Look at this line. This is the vertical line and the x-intercept is negative 3 and 0. Similarly, to draw y equal to 3, here the y-intercept will be 0 and 3. So this is a horizontal line that intersects the y-axis at 3. Thank you.